Well, guys, good afternoon. Captain Paul here in Jacksonville, Florida, over at Lamb's Yacht Center. Today, just finishing up some yacht training on the 44 DeFever. Here's another 44 DeFever. Look how beautiful this thing is. My God, it's just gorgeous. Look at the lines on that. Absolutely gorgeous. And we're finishing up some training here today with a new boat owner, Todd. And you know, the difference between the last trip and this trip is night and day. Like, he's just nailing it now. Like, ain't been able to pull it into the marina, pull it in and out of the slips. Today was several times. He pulled it in left, he pulled it in right into this. And it's hard for me to videotape it while it's actually happening because I'm standing right next to him. And our concentration is on him nailing the boat. But I had him pull it in this slip, back it out, and then I had him turn around, come back and go into this slip. Tomorrow, he doesn't know it yet, but he's gonna do a solo. I hope he doesn't hear me. I'm gonna jump off the boat. He's probably gonna solo tomorrow, hopefully. And then Monday, we'll do some backing skills. But he's done quite a bit of today, 2 different sessions. And compared to like the last time we came out, there's no comparison. Like, and he's just doing a fantastic job. Like today, he was able to pull the boat in and out of the slip, no problem at all, with very little help. And he only gets, when he's doing that, and it's just like anything else, he gets better and better and better every single time we go out. And it's about 100% improvement every single time now. And same thing on the Viking. I just got off of Dan. That was the 70-foot Viking, and that boat, same thing. This was Dan's first time with doing any training on the boat, and he doesn't feel like he did that great on it, but I thought he did really nice. Look at this. Looks like an old Chris Craft. I thought he did really well. And he will get better and better. He'll do just like Dan on the DeFever. He'll that's a type of improvement. It'll be a 100%. It'll be night and day difference, and that's just because it's the difference between his first time and his last time. Look at this leopard right here. It's pretty. That's a pretty cool boat. Very cool boat. Anyway, we're out here for another couple days. Then we go do another survey Tuesday. Hope that survey goes a little bit better. These last 2 surveys, I think Linda and Ron, they're working theirs out, and Bruno and Ursula, they've made their official offer. So we're just waiting to hear back. And it came down to the owner having to pay for the engine work, and he would pay the bottom job. And then he made an offer, and I'm not going to talk about the offer, but he made an offer based on him having to do a complete $15,000 bottom job on the Jefferson. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, guys, just a daily update today. Peace out. Doing some yacht training. Anybody needs any help, after I get back, I jump on. I can't even remember what it is. I think it's a 38 Marine Trader, and then we jump over to another 58 LRC Hatteras right at the Christmas time. That's what we're going to jump on and take that from Orient over to somewhere here in Florida somewhere. Anyway, anybody needs any help, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and remember to live life with no regret like I do. Thank you guys. Bye.